Out here in the middle of Lake Erie, and we've got a find. That's a sunken boat. Oh my God. And that's my dad. This is an absolutely massive boat. Oh my gosh. Oh, look, you can see the chair down here. Hold on. Oh.
That looks kind of like that.
It's like at least a 40 to 50 foot boat. I mean, it's huge. Here's the start way back here, and it goes all the way back, like there. Way back there. And it's kind of deep here too. So yeah, this thing's huge. It's very important whenever you see a boat like this though, to not like touch it or anything. Cut to the pictures. There's the windshield.
Oh, here's the gasoline.
Oh, you see it?
Hopefully it's not coming from me.
That's officially started leaking gasoline. This boat is very freshly sunk. How long ago do you think it sunk, Daniel? Within the last 2 hours, probably.
Gas is just now rising.
Yeah, it's just now starting to leak gas, so it has to be within the last like hour. All the gas just spilling out. It smells so bad right now. Okay, I'm gonna make contact with the boat a little bit. That's it. Sure. Actually, it's not. We went back the next day and watched it get pulled out of the water. So keep on watching, please. Okay, back to the video. We're off to the boat. We're off to the boat.
I don't see it.
Oh, that's it. Coast Guard is there. Son of a freaking Coast Guard already got to it.
I don't know if you can see it, but they're over there.
We're still gonna go real close to it. Good news is boat's still in the water, right there. Bad news is there's already people here, so we can't use our sick rig. We even duct taped it. Dang it. But we'll still be able to watch it come out of the water. Like, it's a really good thing that I didn't go on the boat yesterday. For the record, those pictures that you just saw were photoshopped. Okay, they're now attempting to block our view. But we can also move. Starting to attract a little bit of a crowd here, which is not good, because then they'll yell at us. Okay, so we just heard that the divers are attaching an airbag, which will lift the boat out of the water when they pull on it, supposedly. And they're going in now. Here we go. Okay, the divers are coming out of the water.
No, they're not. They're inflating the packs.
So this should be any minute now. We've been here for like, how long, Daniel? 45 minutes. Okay, you can see the front of the boat starting to come up. Here we go. Oh, it's coming up. Oh, that's crazy. Okay, we've spotted a Yeti off the back. If that thing floats over here, we are so taking it. Daniel, thoughts?
100%.
Yeah, okay. It was Daniel's idea.
I guess if I could get under inspection in the hall.
Pretty anticlimactic. They said that they just hit a rock
They ripped the rudder off
and ripped the rudder off.
and put a hole in the bottom.
Oh, okay. A little climatic. Tugboat is finally coming, and Daniel and I are extraordinarily sunburned. I swear, if a single person in the comments says, "Oh, video too long," I will hunt you down, and I will. We have been out here for like 3 hours.
3 hours now.
Yes. Hour 35. Supply's running low.
We're so sunburned.
We're so sunburned. Probably not gonna make it.
Hour 100. We're still here.
The guy just slipped and fell off. I got it on video too.
Pump it out.
Okay, they're gonna get it up higher and then pump all the water out, and then they're gonna tow it. So we'll be back later. We're gonna get some food. I'm back with my new attire on because it's so freaking sunny and I'm burnt to a crisp. But the boat is almost done. I'm pumping water out of it. So this is crazy. I mean, this has been going on for like 5 hours now. Whew.